model, 2015 Iveco Daily 35C13 with B4100 crew cab non-runner CAMBELT has snapped. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 114629. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481P. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, as the timing belt has snapped. It still turns over, but something is clanging. Please buy it on the basis it needs the engine replacing, but may repair. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.